beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I know that today I have a different setting from my other videos, guys. It's like 10 o'clock at night, almost 11, but you know, I'm all about making videos for y'all. So this is 2 or 3 days after I did my hair. As you can see, it's a little bit frizzy, you know, it's starting to look like something. It's starting to look, you know, kind of like locks a little bit, because faux locs is one of the styles that like you can wear it for 2 months, honestly, because the older that it looks, the older that it stays, the better that it looks. I love it. However, I would not recommend this hairstyle or like this type of hair, because as you can see, look at the texture. It does have a tiny bit of like silky texture, which makes it difficult for the wrapping method, because it could unravel just a tiny bit, because as you can see, there is some part of dark hair that is showing. And if I had a faux loc that was in my hair texture, even if a tiny bit unravels, it wouldn't have shown. I would have gotten away with it, but because of this hair color, I can't really get away with a little bit of unwrapping as much. So I would suggest more texture like faux locs. Yeah, definitely more texture like that's about it, guys. So actually this hair, I got it for $36 on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. It was 6 packs, I believe, for $30 something, and each pack of hair has like 18 locks. And you know, that's pretty good, because I used this hair twice. The first time I used 3 packs, and this one I also used 3 packs of hair. But if you are going to do the cornrow method, then I would definitely suggest you use all 6 packs on your hair. But because of the wrapping method and I did individual locks, I didn't need as much. And today I'm going to teach you guys a tutorial on how to do faux locs on your hair. It's going to be a very detailed tutorial and a quick and easy tutorial that's not going to take you too long. And let's just get right into it. Now I'm going to be showing you guys that you don't even need this to do what I'm gonna show you. Like this, you can just throw it away. So this is all right, let's get started. So don't forget to put your hair and trace them into 4 different sections before you even start, and do them sections by sections. As you can see, this is the last section that I have right now, and you're gonna take the smallest part of your hair, just from, let's say that you're going to braid into 3-strand twists. So take a tiny bit part, and then take the faux loc, open it as I have right now, and then put the hair inside the loop, as you can see. And after that, make sure that you tightened it. Make sure that it's tightened, or you know, it's gonna look loose. It's not as tight as I wanted it in this hairstyle, but when you do it, make sure that after you put it inside the loop, it's a little bit tight. And after that, you're gonna pretend like you're going to do 3-strand twists on your hair. And pretty much while you do that, make sure that the loop of the faux loc stay tightened and tightened inside. And after that, you don't even have to twist your hair. After that, you don't even have to continue doing the 3-strand twist. All you're gonna do is just roll the hair as I'm doing right now, and just keep twisting it. And after that, you're gonna take the faux loc, you're gonna wrap it on the hair. So the hair is gonna unravel as you go. And it's okay, like just unravel it in the direction that it is going, so that it's not messed up, and just keep wrapping it around the hair as you go. Don't unravel all of it at once, just unravel it and wrapping it as you go. And make sure that you put the faux locs in the roots of your hair, or your hair is gonna show. I kind of messed up, but just you know, learn from my mistakes, and honestly just keep wrapping it and making sure that no part of your hair is showing. So like when you wrap it around, you can wrap over the hair, over the wrap, so that, I don't know if I'm making any sense, so that your hair doesn't show. I mean, there's still a possibility that your hair will show, but you know, just so that it doesn't show, make sure of that. And pretty much, guys, make sure that as you are wrapping it, that it's tightened. Like make sure that it's tight, not too tight, but make sure that it's tight and secured. You know, keep like, see what I'm doing? I'm making sure that it's tight and that it's not going to unravel. And then when you arrive all the way at the end of your hair, you're just gonna put the hair inside of the loop, and then as you can see, I'm putting it inside right now, and then I'm gonna twirl it around my finger at the direction of the faux loc, and you are all done, guys. This method works magic, especially for individual twists. It is so much easier than using the needle, because the needle takes forever, but this one, it definitely helps my hair so much better. And there's only about like 50 something locks on my hair, and I just love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a video on how I style my faux locs soon, so you know, click that bell notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. And that's will be all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.